The impact of virtual reality on the entertainment industry. Title: The impact of virtual reality on the entertainment industry. Introduction. The entertainment industry has undergone numerous transformations throughout history, shaping the way we consume media and interact with content. One of the most promising advancements in recent time is virtual reality, VR, technology. As VR continues to evolve, its impact on the entertainment industry is becoming increasingly evident. This article explores the profound influence of virtual reality on various domains within the entertainment industry. 1. Immersive gaming experiences. Virtual reality has opened up new horizons for gaming enthusiasts. Through VR headsets and motion tracking devices, gamers can now dive into virtual worlds and experience games on a whole new level. The immersive nature of virtual reality enhances gameplay by creating a sense of presence, allowing players to feel fully engaged in the virtual environment. From heart-pounding action titles to sheer exploration adventures, the possibilities within virtual reality gaming are seemingly endless. 2. Virtual cinematic experiences. With VR, the traditional cinematic experience is being redefined. Virtual reality allows users to step inside the movie or create their own immersive storytelling. Through 360-degree videos or fully animated virtual experiences, viewers can go beyond passive consumption and actively participate in the story. This transformation enables filmmakers to explore new narrative techniques and enhances the emotional connection with the audience. 3. Live performances and virtual events. Virtual reality has also paved the way for live performances and virtual events. Artists and musicians can now engage with fans in new and exciting ways through VR concerts and live-streamed events. This technology transcends physical limitations, enabling individuals from around the world to attend concerts or events virtually. From the comfort of their homes, users can experience the energy and atmosphere of a live show without being physically present. 4. Theme parks and attractions. Theme parks are leveraging virtual reality to enhance their offerings. VR attractions provide visitors with extraordinary experiences by combining real-world physical rides with virtual elements. This hybrid approach greatly expands the possibilities for theme park experiences, immersing guests in fantastical worlds and engaging them through interactive storytelling. Virtual reality helps theme parks remain competitive by offering unique and unforgettable adventures. 5. Virtual reality in sports. Virtual reality has the potential to revolutionize the way we experience sports. Fans can now don VR headsets and witness live events as if they were sitting in the stadium. VR technology also enables athletes to train more effectively by simulating real game situations and environments. Furthermore, virtual reality can enhance sports analysis by providing coaches and players with immersive visualizations for better strategic decision-making. 6. Impact on education and learning. The entertainment industry intersects with education through virtual reality. VR technology has immense potential in enhancing traditional education methods by providing immersive and interactive learning experiences. From historical reconstructions to simulated scientific experiments, virtual reality allows students to explore subjects in ways that were previously impossible. As a result, tie-in becomes more engaging, and concepts are easier to grasp. 7. Virtual reality and mental health. In addition to its entertainment value, virtual reality is making strides in the field of mental health. VR therapy is being used to treat phobias, anxiety disorders, and post-traumatic stress disorder. PTSD. Through carefully designed virtual environments, individuals can confront their fears in a controlled and safe manner, ultimately leading to desensitization. Furthermore, VR is being utilized to promote relaxation, meditation, and stress reduction, bringing mental well-being within reach. The impact of virtual reality on the entertainment industry. Introduction. The entertainment industry has experienced various transformations throughout history, shaping how we consume media and engage with content. One of the most promising advancements in recent times is virtual reality (VR) technology. As VR evolves, its impact on the entertainment industry becomes increasingly evident. This article explores the profound influence of virtual reality on different domains within the entertainment industry. 1. Immersive gaming experiences. Virtual reality has opened new horizons for gaming enthusiasts. With VR headsets and motion tracking devices, gamers can dive into virtual worlds, experiencing games on a whole new level. The immersive nature of VR enhances gameplay, creating a sense of presence and engaging players fully in the virtual environment. From action-filled titles to serene exploration adventures, the possibilities why. Then virtual reality gaming seem boundless. 2. Virtual cinematic experiences. VR is redefining the traditional cinematic experience. Virtual reality allows users to step inside movies or create their immersive storytelling. Through 360-degree videos or fully animated virtual experiences, viewers can go beyond passive consumption and actively participate in the story. Filmmakers can explore new narrative techniques, enhancing the emotional connection with the audience. 3. Live performances and virtual events. Virtual reality has paved the way for live performances and virtual events. Artists and musicians can now interact with fans through VR concerts and live-streamed events. This technology transcends physical limitations, allowing individuals worldwide to attend concerts or events virtually. Users can experience the energy and atmosphere of a live show from the comfort of their homes without being